Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Paul's Monday Market Update number 173 for Monday, 10th of February 2025. As always, you're always very welcome here, but just remember that you are always responsible for your own trading decisions. It's Microsoft. What I'd say is yes, that had been a nice trend. It had put in a great move, but equally, what I'd probably say is that after topping out last year, we've kind of just I'd say we've gone sideways. Excuse my drawings. You might say, well, actually, Paul, are we not sort of just getting into a bit of a triangle, which would normally be a continuation pattern? Okay, so the trend would continue in the pattern. You come into it, as I said, I'm a better trader than I am an artist, so excuse my artistry, but you get the gist, don't you? But once again, we had some interest in, some very bullish, regardless of the shenanigans, some very bullish price action last week on some of the tech stocks. But I think it's clear to say not so much on Microsoft. Okay, and once again, that's to me is a very bearish candle. Okay, it is. I would call that a bearish pin bar. It is engulfed the previous candle. Okay, even though the body's not, but because the body's at the bottom, it's pretty bearish to me. That now. Once again, I'd say this kind of, I'd be looking at this. I think we've talked about this in the past. $400 has acted as pretty much support level, neckline, call it what you want. So, as a short-term trader, what I'd be looking for is it for it to drift back to that area. Okay. And then once it does, once again, it would not surprise me if we got back to there, we had an initial bounce, and then basically if we roll over back towards the 200, that would be my bearish analysis based upon this price action at the moment. So, what I do with these things is, I just create myself a little scenario, a little plan. If it plays out, I'll play it. If it doesn't, I either replan or go elsewhere. Okay, that's the way I work. And because it's on weekly charts, it gives me an opportunity to just do a bit of that work at the weekend. I don't have to sit there and watch every tick. It just allows me to sort of build a plan. And as I said, plan my trade my plan. If the plan plays out, then I trade it. If I don't, as I said, I'll either replan based upon what the market's telling me, or I'll just go elsewhere and do nothing. So there you go. You might want to add that to your to watch list to see how that particularly plays out over the next couple of weeks.